When you've got no time to cook, try the one-pot wonder from Ayurveda called Kitchari. It's healing food full of rich protein and carbohydrates that are easy to digest, along with herbs and spices that are warming and grounding and nourishing. Begin by preparing the rice and the red lentils by washing them well. That means until all the white starch is out of the water. Drain and discard the water. Warm the ghee with the spices. First add in the red lentils to cook for about 20 minutes, followed by the white basmati rice. Curry leaves add a wonderful flavour to this dish, along with fresh ginger, cinnamon, star anise, coriander, cumin, and fennel. Top with some lemon juice and cilantro and serve.